Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay. So guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. Okay. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So guys, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with gain X 1200. So guys, this is gain X 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame. Okay, I'm using the 3M trend milker trading indicator. So if you are having, you can just turn it on and let's check it out together. Okay. So these had been on uptrend for a while, but after getting to this resistance zone, it was unable to break out from there. So it started a downtrend right from there. You can see it sold till it got to this support zone. It got there around there also, and also around there. So if it breaks out below this, then we expect it to get to this particular region. And if it breaks out from here, then it should get to this region. So this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below this support zone. Okay. So next asset is going to be gain X999. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is gain X999, and of course, after getting to this support zone, this started an uptrend, but till it got to this region before pulling back, and of course, we still expect it to buy more. Okay, so this should still be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. This had been an uptrend for a while. It got to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out from there. So it gave us a downtrend signal right from here. So till it got to this region, went back up again. And of course, this should be a pullback. If it's unable to break out from this particular resistance zone, then it should sell more. But if it breaks out above it, then it will buy more. Okay, so I believe this should be more of a selling opportunity, except if it breaks out above that resistance zone. Okay, let's check out Paynex 999. Paynex 999 had been on uptrend from this support region, and you can see it going up and up. Okay, so it broke out above this particular resistance zone, this particular one. Okay, broke out above it, and of course it got to a new resistance zone. Okay, so if it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so this is still very much on uptrend until it is unable to break out above this. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. That is when it's going to sell more. Okay, so the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is FX volume 80. This had been on downtrend for a while, but after getting to this support zone, was unable to break out from there. So it started an uptrend, broke out from this trend line, and it is buying. It will get to this region easily. And of course, if it breaks out above it, I expect it to get to this level. And if it breaks out from there, I also expect it to get to this level. And after that, it should be at this level. So this is more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, guys. So you guys can take advantage of it right away. Okay, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you trying to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you start trying them out on your real account. And if you need a free signal, then you can join the Telegram channel and you get to learn more from there. Okay, so I will be stopping right there. um, if you have any question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.